Okay, next we will create a new event. Set the event name to Yabinya Karate Open Tournament. Then set the details to Yabinya Open Tournament. Next, in this section, we can choose the competition format. Double bronze with repechage, double bronze, no repechage. Single bronze. We will try setting it to double bronze, no repechage. For the tatami, set it to 2 tatami. Here there is a display match number option. Check this option and select per category reset. For medal eligibility, set the minimum number of participants to 2 participants, or 3 for example. This illustration explains how the number of participants in a specific category determines whether the medals won will be officially counted toward the overall medal tally or excluded. Using the U21 male kumite minus 55 kilograms category as an example, where only 2 athletes are competing. Number 1, for requirement minimum 2 participants. If the tournament rules require a minimum of 2 athletes, the gold and silver medals are eligible and will be included in the official medal standings. Number 2, requirement minimum 3 participants. If the rules require at least 3 athletes, this category fails to meet the criteria. Consequently, the medals will be excluded from the final medal tally. In this section, we can choose the information type, such as institution, which can be a local organization or a school. Here, select contingent institution for the bracket. And for the scoring board, select team info with institution. Okay, for example, as shown in this image, if we set the information type to institution, the scoring board will display the institution name. Next, if we set the scoring board information option to country code, then the scoring board will display the country code. For the bracket section, if we set it to contingent institution, the bracket will display the contingent and institution. And if we set it to country code, then the bracket will display the country code. Okay, in this video, I will use contingent and institution for the bracket. And for the scoring board, I will choose contingent and country code. Then click Save. Next, the system will redirect to the Register Event to Server form. We can choose Own Server if we are setting up our own server. Or we can use the Yabinya server, kata.yabinya.com. Then click Register Event to Server. Next, we will set up the event cover and logo. Click on the Settings menu, then App Settings. Click the Logo tab. Then select images for the cover and the logo in the Report section. Okay, the cover and logo setup is complete. Click Save.